Hi everyone. Well, today I'm going to, I did this swipe a couple weeks ago and I wasn't happy with it. So I thought I would add some gold leaf onto it. And I've already done part of it, but I wanted to share with you how I do it. Because it's just another way, if a pour dries and you don't like it, to enhance it, embellish it. Let me tell you what you're going to need. So first of all, I have these pieces of wood under the canvas, so when I work under it, it's solid. I have a couple of different scrapes. This is a Pampered Chef. This is just any kind of credit card, stiff card, to help scrape it in a pile. After I scrape it in a pile, I put the little pieces in this cup because you don't want them flying around, especially if you have paintings drying, especially if you're resining. And hopefully lately I've been pretty much covering everything that's drying. Just helps prevent cracking. You need, I use an old toothbrush. You need something sort of stiff, and then this, which is pretty stiff. The glue I use, I got this for foiling. It's a two-way glue, acid-free Zig Memory Systems. Yes, I don't know if you can read that. So I thought I'd try it with gold leaf. It works really good. You have to let it dry just a couple of minutes. A lot of other glues you have to let dry for quite a while. So I've already put some glue on here, but that was yesterday. I'm thinking I need to go over it. So I was going to do this section. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the middle yet. I'm going to go ahead and put some thicker gold leaf on the bottom. Go ahead and finish it off on this side. But I just wanted to show you how I do it. Let's see if... oh, the gold leaf comes... they're really thin. I don't know if you... comes in... It has this paper in between, and I can't really pick it up. Well, let me see if I can pick up this piece. Super thin. It will fall apart. Very easy. Gold leaf. You can Google it. They have it on Amazon. That's where I got the glue pen also. It's on Amazon. So it has a tip on it like that. So you can make thin lines or thicker lines with it. So I'm going to go ahead and go over. By the way, like there's some areas that for some reason is not going to stick, and you can just go ahead and fill it in with the pen, put some more gold leaf on it. It doesn't have to be one sheet where it gets everything. Pieces of the foil that you have, or the gold leaf you have, you can just go ahead and fill that in. This is all not just one sheet that I put down. Although, if you want to do it like that, you can. You could do it on one sheet. You could take pieces. I'm sort of connecting them to that. I'm doing different lengths. Make sure I'm on that wood here. And I'm going to connect it somehow here. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do in the middle. I haven't figured that out yet. You can make them squiggly lines or straight, thick, thin, off the edge, not off the edge. Any shape you want, you just fill it in. Edge is a little tricky because I'm in between the wood and the canvas. But with this, you don't have to push real hard. So, go ahead and Once you get done, you could just varnish over the whole thing. I have a wet rag over here too. If I need to wipe something off, or in the end when you have little tiny specks of gold leaf around, you want to make sure it doesn't fly around your studio and get in your other paintings, because it would be hard to get off. So it's easier to, if it gets on your table, just to wipe it up with a wet rag, paper towel. Okay, I got that done. Here's another one here. I want to get this little one. Now you can see, I know you can't see, but I can see where I've put this already. At the end I will show the finished, what I decided to do, but this video is just going to be a quick video on how to do it, or how I do it. Okay, so this is a piece, and I think I could probably put it down now. You know what, I'm going to wave that a little bit. Let that dry just a bit. Oops, see, that's why you don't want to have fans going with gold leaf. And then the little pieces that are in here, you can use in, if you're resining, you can use it again, so you don't have to waste anything. Some people use rubber cement for this. There's specialized glue just for gold leafing. It's pretty expensive. But I got this for the foiling, and I haven't really done any foiling yet, so it happens to work with this, because the foils are very thin also. So with this one, I'm just gonna, I know I'm gonna have some, I just want to see if I could do one piece. It doesn't have to be exactly straight or flat, so you just push it down with your hand lightly. It's okay if it gets crumbly. It doesn't have to stay straight at all. Okay. And it'll come off wherever the glue is not. Okay, right now I'm doing it lightly. And then once I know that I have it on there, then I could start putting more pressure on it, and it'll start coming off. Okay, now I'm starting to put a little bit more pressure on there. So you could do it like I'm doing it right now with my finger. You can do it with the little brush here. I use this at the end mostly. I get most of it with my fingers first. If you don't like something, you can go in there with the glue and extend it or redo it, fill in a hole. Whatever. Okay, so you see it went over here, which is fine. Okay. Use a card. Get the real loose part off. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this because I don't want to take it off what's stuck down. I'm just, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that. Put it in my little dish here, my little plastic container. And sometimes if I just need a little bit, I will grab bigger chunks out of here and put it back on there. So you can use a toothbrush, just go around and around. You can tell right there, that's sort of in there. So you just work it like that. Bring it down just a little bit closer. Get an idea. Like here's a, I know I missed some on this side, but I wanted to show you a whole piece, so you could just go back in there and lay a little piece down, push it down, and then there you go. Another little piece. Put that down. It doesn't have to be a sheet, a whole sheet. Just like that. So if you see any dark areas, like there's a couple here. Just go in there with your pen again, and you could fill in. Like there's a spot right there. Looks like it needs a fill. There's a little spot there. I like this because you can get in the small spaces here. This didn't quite get done. Like that. And then, just to show you, I'm going to grab just a pile. You can just move that around and it'll stick. Okay, well that was just a little example of what you can do. I could have laid down a whole piece of this also. So afterwards you just go ahead and put it in your container. Now you want to make sure that what you have underneath is about the same height, because you don't want to stretch your canvas out. So I can go in there and clean it up with the brush into areas that it shouldn't be. Yeah, so that's just one way to embellish. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be coming up with more videos shortly. Take care. Keep on pouring. Bye. Well, this is my finished piece. Yeah, I don't know if you could see it. I do like it a lot better than it did look like before. Pretty cool. So give some gold leaf a try. Might save a painting for you. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.